Hi everyone, it's Kezia over here from Kezia's Corner and welcome to my channel. So my name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, lifestyle and well-being. Today's video is going to be a makeup related one. It's going to be a classic makeup haul, but I will also be trying out some of the new products that I also bought. And this is a makeup haul of e.l.f. I absolutely love this brand. I have been following them now for a very long time, ever since I started makeup. I think e.l.f. was also one of the makeup websites that I had started purchasing online and the packages started to come. There's a bit of nostalgia over here when I think of the company and brand called e.l.f. So if you want to see what are the new products that I tried out and what I thought of them, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more makeup content and other content as well. Without further ado, we're going to just get started and let's see what I thought of the e.l.f. makeup products that I've recently purchased. So let's begin by trying out some products, which I'm very excited about. I don't have anything on my face. We have some e.l.f. products over here. So I cannot wait to obviously dip into them. I have some old products as well that we're going to be using. So let's just have some fun with some makeup basically. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that I want to try out is this. I bought the e.l.f. Skin Bronzing Drops, which come like this. Basically can add them to your moisturizer. So that is what we're going to be doing. You can add about 2 to 3 drops to your moisturizer. I have seen this quite a lot on other people's videos, so I am very excited to try this out. I love the packaging, it's really cute and small. Bronzes and nourishes, and it has antioxidants and sunflower seed oil as well. So I'm going to be using my P. Louise. This is the Rain Check Moisturizer. I've been loving this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply a little bit, I suppose, and then what we can do, I'm just going to dip. Wait, I think I shouldn't shake. I think it said shake first. Okay, I think I have quite a bit, and I'm just going to literally rub it together, and I'm just going to apply it onto my face. Ooh, it always feels really cool, this moisturizer. But now we have some bronzing drops as well with e.l.f. Add a little bit. My skin will also match my neck because I did finally get a bit tanned. I really like that. Alright, I don't like to apply fake tan on me, but I suppose, like, obviously I really take care of not tanning when I go out in the sun. I always like put a lot of sunscreen on my face, but obviously then what happens, obviously I remain very fair on my face, and then my neck just obviously takes a little bit of a tan, and my shoulders especially. So I guess this would support and kind of balancing it out. So I don't know, I guess it's interesting. It's a good product to have, and it's just I want to see how it obviously builds up with the other products. I have 2 primers. One is a sample size and one is the original, and I want to actually use this one. So this one is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and it basically comes like this. I also have seen a lot of people mention this primer quite a bit, but I also had gotten a sample size of the Power Grip Primer and 4% niacinamide. So this is, I guess, a little bit more possibly moisturizing, I would say. This is interesting, but this was what actually drew me to ordering the order actually. So very excited to try this out. I also have the setting spray as well of it, but that we'll use at the very end of the look. So we're going to be using this. So let's see how this tests out. I'm just going to give it a shake. I am loving the bronzing drops because it truly did add a little bit of a suntanned look on my face. You'll have to wait. There we go. So it's the Power Grip, so it should really set my face. Today we're going to be applying lipstick because my lips, thank goodness, are a bit better. I still have like psoriasis around them, but thank God they are of my normal size, my natural size. Okay, so the primer has been applied. It feels a bit sticky, a bit tacky, but I suppose that's the point of this primer as well. So we're going to apply the foundation now. The foundation that I have is this one right here. Again, I've seen so many reviews of this foundation and a lot of people love this foundation, so I'm very excited to try this out. This is a soft Glam Satin Foundation. It is medium buildable coverage, long lasting, has 1% hydrating hibiscus complex, so I'm very excited to give this a go. This is something that I'm excited about. So let's try this out. So just in case you're wondering, my shade is in Fair Neutral number 13. I'm just going to apply this. I haven't had foundations which look like this in this packaging in a very long time, so it reminds me of like old school foundations. Okay, I've applied quite a bit, it seems. Okay, maybe when I bought this, obviously I was a bit fairer. So let's just apply this all over the skin. I think it's a little bit too light now for me, but it's okay. We'll fix this, guys, with powder and with other products. I have learned to not panic at this stage yet, but it's like I'm applying a face mask right now, but that's okay. Like Casper the Ghost right now. For winter, this will be a good shade, to be fair. So overall, I like obviously it's not the perfect shade right now for me because it's a little bit light, but generally, probably when it would come to winter time, this would have been a perfect shade for me. But on application, I really like how it applies. Like, it's good coverage, I would say. If you have some redness, it would still, like if you have like a spot, it would still shine through, but the redness around my lips, around my nose, it has reduced and has gone away. And I really like the base that it creates as well. Even it reduces the pores as well. So I really like this actually. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try a concealer. But to be fair, I did buy the Camo concealer because I actually had this and I finished it and I really loved it. But to be honest with you, I don't know if I want to use this or I have the matte one. I think I want to use the matte one. I have the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer and this one is in matte finish. So I'm going to be actually using this one. But I also bought the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and I had finished this and I really love this concealer. So if you're looking for something more moisturizing, more hydrating, especially during the summertime, I would recommend this one by far. But I just want to use this because I wish to kind of use this up a little bit as well. Yes. I like how it sits with the foundation, to be fair, the matte concealer. I really like that. Very impressed. Okay, so now we're going to use some of these fun liquid products. These are not new to me, but I said let me use them because obviously they're e.l.f. So we're going to be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow, the contour shade, which is this one right here. And this will hopefully kind of fix the foundation. I'm just going to use my beauty blender. I really like these because they blend so nicely. I do actually love the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I want to mention this. I don't have the shade because I have removed the sticker apparently, but this is a really good blush and it's another liquid product that I like. But today we're going to be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow blush as well and the highlight as well. I like it because as well, kind of it's a little bit glowy, so it's not like fully matte, which is cute. They're sitting on very nicely with the foundation. And finally, I have the highlight. Now this one, when I bought it, it wasn't the one that I wanted. It was the Rose Quartz shade, but we can still definitely use this. The powder, I don't actually own anything of e.l.f., so I'm just going to apply my Wycon Trusted powder, which I love. This is the Wet and Dry Foundation. I really love this. I'm just going to do this because it kind of creased a bit. But I genuinely love the foundation. Now I understand why a lot of people were raving about this foundation, because I really like how it actually sits on my skin. So I'm just going to do my brows. For brows, just in case you're wondering, I'm going to be using my Power Brow from Revolution, and then I'm using my NYX Brow Mascara, which I really love. So I'm just going to do that. I just realized, silly me, that I had gotten the Camo Liquid Blush in this shade. I'm going to tell it to you soon. So this is the High Pigment. This is in shade Coral Crush. I don't understand because usually I don't like to buy coral shade stuff. But apparently I bought this. Yeah, I forgot to try this out. And I don't want to kind of build on what I have because I'm very happy with what I have. But I also bought this, so I will definitely be trying this out at some point. There are two things which I'm not going to be trying out, but I got them just the same. So I got the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Lip Mask. It has hyaluronic acid and aqualine, and basically this is from the e.l.f. Skin range. It looks like just this. And I also had received this one. This is the e.l.f. Skin. This is the invisible sunscreen, and I will just put this in my skincare things. I had tried this out and I actually liked it. I never bought a full size product because I have some other stuff, so I will definitely, if I finish my full products and if I need to buy one day this, I will definitely buy the full size because when I tried it was good. The thing I'm gonna try is this one. I'm not gonna try it because I don't want to open it for now, but I know I love it. This is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Curling and Lifting Clean and Vegan Formula Mascara. I absolutely love this, but I'm going to put this in my drawer, and for today I'm just going to use a mascara that I already have opened. This is the Essence Lash Like a Boss mascara, so this is what I'm going to be using today. Because I want to try and finish off the mascaras I'm using before I open some new ones. I love this mascara because you can really get onto the different lashes, although I still did transfer on my eyelid, but that's fine. So what we have left, we definitely have left a lipstick, which I'm finally so excited to wear lipstick. So I'm going to be wearing this, the e.l.f. This is called the Effortless shade. I have this lipstick in the shade Effortless, and this is the lipstick we're going to be applying. So I like that a lot. And then finally, we're going to be applying this, which again, I've seen a lot of people rave about it. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, Shockingly Fine Mist, Major Makeup Skin Legitin. So I'm going to be using this, which I'm very excited to do so because a lot of people have raved about this. Oh, wow. I have never experienced such beautiful spritz from a setting spray. Wow, I have never ever experienced that. So I'm going to just take off this hairband and we're going to just fix the hair and we're just going to see the finished makeup look. So something very simple. Obviously today the point of the video was simply just trying out these makeup products from e.l.f. So I'm just going to grab my mirror here and I'm just going to see the finished look. So apart from the foundation obviously being a shade too light for me right now, I think that's the only thing that I can complain about with regards to the foundation. I feel like the primer, the foundation, the setting spray, I think are a good fit, and I really like how my complexion products built on top of each other as well. Ooh, you know what I forgot to do? I actually wanted to apply more bronzer, and I'm so sorry. I took them out to just apply some more complexion products. So let me just do that. So for bronzer, I forgot. This is the Hello Good Stuff from Essence bronzer. Absolutely love this bronzer. So let's just apply a little bit more makeup just to kind of... Whoops, I feel so silly that I forgot to do this part. To be fair, with the products that I applied, it was kind of enough. So I'm going to use this one from NARS. It's in the shade called Orgasm. So we add a bit of color to the whiteness that I have. Finally, for highlight, I'm going to be using my Kylie Sunday Brunch highlighter. Absolutely love this highlighter. Now, because I obviously built more products, I'm just going to take this again. Oh, I really love this mist. How it mists, it's really cool. So now, truly, I have all my products and I really like it even more because I feel I added a little bit more color due to obviously the foundation being a bit too light. But as you saw, I would have been all set and ready if I had just applied the Halo Glow liquid bronzer, blush and highlights, to be fair. Other things that I tried, I think the primer was good, foundation was good, setting spray as well. Yes, the things that I didn't try, which I already know are good, which I would recommend, is definitely the Hydrating Camo Concealer and also the Lash and Roll Mascara. Absolutely love these two products. Tried and tested, guys. Absolutely love them. For the most part. Ooh! And this one. I like this one actually. So if you don't like tanning your face like me, I think this would be a good alternative, that when you tan kind of with your body, you can also use this to kind of add a little bit of color to your face. So obviously then wear good colored foundation, not like me. I am impressed with some of these products. So these products I've seen on the internet being tried and tested, and the reviews that I saw really matched with what I felt about them, because I really liked the finished product. I'm very impressed with this foundation, honestly. Like, I really like the texture, the consistency, and how it settled onto my skin. Like, if I had to give this a rating, I think I would give this a 4. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was me just basically sharing an e.l.f. makeup haul, but also testing out some of the products I bought. If you have any products that you've tried from e.l.f. recently and you say, Kezia, I would love it if you have recently bought some e.l.f. products which you love and would love to share them with you and I haven't tried, I would love to know if you have any other recommendations as well, because I always love testing out new products. So in sum, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and have a lovely rest of the day. Ciao!